Yes,
Baxties.
Baxter.
No.
Come on, child.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay. Hold him down, baby.
I got him. I got him.
It's okay, my little thing.
Oh, Baxter.
Oh, it's okay. Have you ever heard him make those sounds before?
No.
It's okay. Baxter. Oh. You gonna die? Oh, you're not gonna die. It's okay.
Oh no. I think we're killing a child. That's what it sounds like. Is he saying no? Yeah. No. No. Oh no. This is so sad.
I'm sorry.
Maybe he's saying help.
I'm sorry.
Alex is making us do this.
This is Alex's fault. He told us
Oh, where's
to.
that? Oh, can you grab that brush?
Baxter.
Is this usual bathing sound or is this a new one?
Yeah, this is usual.
No. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Baxter, it's okay. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, Baxter. Don't break his legs or anything. Oh my god, he's going crazy.
He's going crazy!
Oh! Oh my god. Let's get a towel. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my god, we need a towel. Don't hurt me. You're dripping in my nightgown. Move.
Let's use Sam shampoo on him while she's out of the room.
Hold on, let me get a towel. Here.
Quick! Hurry up! Hey, Baxter!
Okay, wrap him up.
Wrap you up tight. You get a psycho.
And then we gotta peel the fleas off. This is the fun part.
That's what I say.
Where's the flea comb?
Where's the flea cone?
Oh, here it is. Oh, my kitty cat. I'm sorry.
I love you. No.
It's okay. I'm not trying to torture you for fun. Need more like... You recording even more of this?
He's gonna love the flea comb.
Here we go, this one.
Where?
This one.
Oh, gross. Oh. Oh, that makes me sick. Yeah, please.
Leave it running.
Okay.
Yeah, the sound soothes Baxter. It's okay.
Yeah, you comfort him. What's your job?
Shut up.
You're not just
boss of me.
you're not just the cameraman.
You're not my boss.
My Baxties. I can't find any.
Baxter, baby, you are so cute.
Oh, last time. Oh, jeez.
Oi!
It's okay. I'm not trying to hurt you. It's okay, my baby kitty. I can't find any.
There's not many. Look at this one.
Oh, here's one. Oh, two. Gross.
Oh, Baxter.
Let's spread it apart.
At least you don't have to go to work on Monday. We're the real victims, Baxter. We're the real victims.
Yuck. So gross. Shh, Baxter. Baxter. It's okay, my baby kitty. It's okay. Hold him still. Oh my god. god, oh my god. He's gonna have like a freak out. Hold on, I just gotta get those two.
Hang on.
You're having a heart
I'm gonna
attack.
like... Oh, child. Here, put the thing back on him.
Sorry, mommy is not trying to
Wrap his
torture you.
Wrap his little his arms up.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm just trying to help Baxter. Mommy's trying to help the Baxter.